Oh, there you go. Why you didn't walk?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The El Paso Police Department is searching for
in connection with an abduction. The suspect is driving a gray 2020 Dodge Journey bearing Texas license.
46 p.m. on March 13, 2024 at the 11,200 block of Kingfish Court, El Paso, Texas, 79936, wearing a Spider-Man long sleeve shirt and blue jeans. Police are looking for the yellow print.
Department is 915-316-7134.
What? I know the 6 hour event.
The suspect is driving a gray 2020 Dodge Journey bearing Texas license plate number TKR0213. The suspect was last seen in El Paso, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. Call the El Paso Police Department at 915-316-7134. News media point of contact is El Paso Police Department at 915-212-4040.
That is coming up next.
That's lovely. Oh, I got it in here too. Okay, I didn't go off. Bruh, I forgot to put on standby. What the hell?